A high-quality hammer drill can save a lot of time and money, and a poor quality one can cause a lot of headaches as well as buyer's remorse. Today, we'll test the best rotary hammers in the marketplace. The Contenders, Milwaukee M18 rotary hammer with dedicated hammer vac. This newcomer boasts a dedicated dust extraction system and promises top-notch performance. Hilti TE3022 rotary hammer. Hilti is known for quality, and this hammer packs a punch. While it doesn't have built-in dust extraction, it could be a serious contender. Bosch rotary hammer, a reliable workhorse. This Bosch model has been a favorite for many drillers. Walt WX3240K rotary hammer. This compact hammer offers a good balance of size and power. Testing, Milwaukee M18 rotary hammer with dedicated hammer vac. This tool really impressed us, especially with its dust extraction system. During testing, it kept the work area much cleaner than the others, and the hammering power was smooth and strong. It's a fantastic choice if you're working in enclosed spaces where dust control is a priority. Hilti TE3022 rotary hammer. This one was an absolute beast. The power was top-notch, and it performed extremely well on tougher materials like concrete and stone. Even though it doesn't have built-in dust extraction, it didn't let us down when it came to getting the job done. If raw power is what you're after, the Hilti is the clear winner. Bosch rotary hammer, which has been known for its reliability, and it didn't disappoint. It may not have the newest features, but it's a solid workhorse. During our tests, it performed consistently well across different materials and gave smooth, precise results. If you're looking for a trusted, no-nonsense tool, Bosch is the one. Walt WX3240K rotary hammer. It's compact, but it still delivers great power. In our testing, we found it to be the most versatile, especially for smaller jobs where you don't need a giant tool but still want decent strength. It's great for lighter tasks and offers a good balance of portability and performance. Results: Milwaukee M18 rotary hammer with dedicated hammer vac, excellent dust extraction, keeping work areas clean and reducing cleanup time, very powerful and smooth in operation, suitable for various heavy-duty jobs, best for those needing high performance with built-in dust control. Hilti TE3022 rotary hammer, extremely powerful, perfect for the toughest materials like concrete and stone. No built-in dust extraction, but still a top performer in terms of raw power, ideal for professionals needing maximum impact force and durability. Bosch rotary hammer, consistent and reliable, handled a variety of materials well, lacks modern features, but still a solid choice for general use, great for those who need a dependable workhorse without extra bells and whistles. Walt WX3240K rotary hammer, compact and portable, making it easier to use in tighter spaces, good power for its size, but best suited for smaller to mid-range jobs, perfect for DIYers or those looking for a balance of size and strength. Things to consider. So, which hammer reigns supreme? It depends. Here are some things to consider. Heavy-duty drilling. If you drill large holes all day, a newer, more powerful model might be a worthwhile upgrade. Dust control. If dust is a concern, a hammer with built-in extraction is a lifesaver. Price versus performance. Consider the features you need most and find the hammer that offers the best bang for your buck. Which features do you think are most important to you in a rotary hammer? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more drilling tips and tricks.